Crypto's definitely responding a lot better to technicals because there's less people in the market. Y'all, Charles here from the Traders Corner. Today we have some clips from a Friday session we did of strategy development, so we hope you enjoy it. I hope it provides some value to you. Thank you. Crypto's definitely responding a lot better to technicals because there's less people in the market.
Yeah. And if you know what you're doing, it's crazy volatile. So
Yeah, you can make a buttload.
yeah, you can make stupid
Why can't I
money,
hear you
amount
guys
of money
on this
on, especially Ethereum, because Ethereum
Yeah,
is
bro.
more up and down. Bitcoin's more like swings.
I trade chain linked a lot. Like I just traded in my Gemini. I'm about to start actually trading it on Kraken.
How do you like Gemini?
I like it. It's just not good for trading. Like I just use it to like, okay, I'm gonna start pulling some of my Bitcoin out. Like I'm starting to pull some of my like I pulled a lot of my Bitcoin out recently.
I was thinking of opening a BlockFi, and then I heard a lot of people talking about Gemini, and so I'm trying
I
to
like
decide
Gemini.
what.
It's user friendly. It's like it's regulated. It's like one of the two crypto things that's regulated by any type of like U.S. government thing. So if they crack down, they're not coming for Gemini, like that type of thing. So that's why I like it. But it's like it's very user friendly and like they have a nice app that I'll show you the computer shit's actually really nice too because it'll show you the average price that you bought because like they have recurring buys. But like when you do that,
Yeah.
it can be hard to keep up with like, okay, what's the actual
So
price?
like essentially it'll dollar cost average for you or
Exactly.
something like that.
And then it'll still tell you like, okay, based on your dollar cost averaging, here's your average price that you got in at. So like your actual real profit. So
Yeah.
it was like Bitcoin had that large run up, but it had been like dollar cost averaging for so long. But then there were like a couple times where I put like just like a big sums in as well. And so I was like, I didn't really know where my real like average cost was. And like it showed it to me real easy. It was real easy for me to figure it out. I like it a lot. It takes a while to
what I already said, it was seller's area and it started up here.
Right.
All right. So on the 4 hour, I had to specify that, you know what I'm saying? It's the first step. And then it came back up here like strongly, but it got rejected when it came back to the guy who started it. So it has this big probe here, this thing. But that was a faker. Didn't actually beat anything. So it's still this guy who like started the whole thing. And then oh my god, you hear that? And then it came back down strongly at first. And then there's this slight pullback near to where the previous area was broken. And then it pushed below again, back down to the previous low, but it never beat it. So now looks like it's pushing back up.
Okay. So basically,
the next step is to read the price action, right?
Sure. But price action in what area though?
Ooh. Hold up.
See, because it's like me and DeHart discussed this. Like DeHart, are you seeing what I'm seeing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, didn't mean to do that. You guys discussed
But
what?
this is more specific to territories, not.
Yeah.
I mean, but the same thing.
It's more specific. It goes into the money spot though. Like. So
Yeah.
So
I see
tell
what
me
you're
where
saying.
you're looking to take this. Tell me where you're looking to take this.
Oh. I'm looking for it to push back up here.
Okay.
You see where my thing goes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
And then,
Why?
Because, while people are looking for,
I'll just repeat what Naveen says. Like, read the chart and tell me what's happening.
Oh, okay. So, let me move this out the way. Hold on. I'll just read it. So, I'll start from like right here. So after it pushes down, it kind of actually holds at this area for a while. This around 1 point.
Sure, holds at that area. Move on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So and it's holding a kind of like I would say like on a lower time frame, it'd be like a range, and so it's push up, push down, push up, down strongly, back up. You know what I'm saying? Back down, back up again. But then it finally goes down to where the original low was, but not really that strongly. So like it kind of like ran out of gas. The sellers kind of ran out of gas there.
Right.
And so then the buyers step in and push back up in less time, you know.
Right.
And,
And what does that suggest? Like the fact that it took less time to go up than it came down.
oh, that they're stepping in strongly? I don't, like, what do you want?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, so step in strongly and then got to pull back here. Doesn't make a higher high again, and it pulled back again. So I'm just looking to see if it goes retest like this area, like back up to here first, because that's where my ideal trade.
Okay, so let me ask you a question. Ultimately, what is your bias? Like, are you looking for it to move upwards or downwards ultimately?
Right
like
now,
after you to retest that area or whatever you want it to do. But
I'm looking for
like
it to
if you were gonna enter a trade, are you looking long or short?
short.
Okay.
Yeah, short.
Okay, give me 1 second too, because I want to explain this as well, because this is what me and D Hart talked about. I'm gonna request control. So if you see, and this is just so we're all on the same page, because it's like this is something that we're all gonna have to talk about. So if you see this 125 level here, and it's nice because it comes in line with the nice, like, I guess you'd say like whole number, 125.
Yeah.
So basically what I was talking about, now I know D Hart, if you were, when I said like D Hart about, yeah. So basically why we're asking where you were going to look to sell it, and why I was like, okay, when you set up it around here, is because if we break above here, exactly what else?
And even if you just want to think about it like more simply, like anybody else might have their stop loss like right behind that area, right? Because it's held for so long and it created a double top. So people might have their stop losses right there. So just if it price pushes up right up past there, it'll knock them out, tag them out. Price will keep going up because it's getting buy orders from their stop losses, and then after that, it'll probably move.
Those are a few clips from the session we did on Friday. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope it provided some value to you. And if you like it, let us know in the comments if you want to see more. Have a good one.